The weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Tänan teid veel kord selle väga toreda ja põneva aasta eest. Soovin teile kõigile palju rõõmu ja tulgu järgmine aasta veelgi tulemusrikka. Häid jõude!
All the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbye. But as long